Hey, what's up, and welcome to a very special episode here at Descent at Best. I am back here at Mountain Creek Park in Sherrills Ford, North Carolina, and I had planned on hitting all of the trails here this summer. That was one of my main goals. But this summer is being cut short. By the time you've seen this, I will have finished having major surgery on my knee. And so this is going to be today the last physical activity that I'm able to do for 6 months to a year. I've got 6 months, or 6 weeks rather, non-weight bearing. It's a problem. But what that means is an accelerated time frame to cover everything here at Mountain Creek. So I'm gonna hit Old Boozy and TomTastic and Miners Run and Rabbit Race and even this pump track back here, because this is the last chance I'm gonna have this year to do it. I'm gonna miss all the ski season likely. And what does that mean for the channel? We'll talk about it. But for now, here's some highlights from those trails. All right, let's see what we got. Well, you can get around without pedaling, but not a super fast pump track like a Vela Solutions thing, but well designed. Phew. All right, so to get out to the trails, if you aren't familiar, you hit Terrell's Folly. Oh, look at this new stuff. Ooh, skinnies. Multiple skinnies. These were not here last time. Sweet. But yeah, you hit this, and then oh dear. And then like Lob Lolly Loop and stuff. Cheryl's Pass is in there. But yeah, if you guys are wondering about my injury, no, it did not happen on the bike. This was actually when I was moving to the new house. I had to get an elliptical machine up and out of the house and up a steep, muddy, mulchy hill. And so I just dragged it and I felt pop is what happened. And then I think I further injured it on the terrain park falling while I was skiing. So this was in January of 2023. Currently it is July. And for the last 7 months I've been doing everything. Knee injection didn't work. Physical therapy since February. So lots and lots of physical therapy that only hurt it. MRI showed that I've got a meniscus tear on the inside. It's like, you know, a lot of people have those. But I have what's called a root tear of my meniscus on the outside, which means it's come off of the bone, which means I'm bone on bone. And so there's some bone bruising and it's degenerative. It's not a good deal. So the surgery is called a meniscal root repair. And they have to drill through my tibia and like basically wire the thing back. So it's a little scary. Not 100% chance of success either, as far as alleviating symptoms. So, yeah. But the main thing is that I'll be non-weight bearing for 6 weeks and can't bend a leg for several weeks beyond that. And it's like 6 months to a year. The surgeon said, it's not as bad as an ACL, but it's kind of second place, or second to last place, as it were. So I'm gonna do all the physical therapy again for more and more months. Oh yeah, that's a cool line I haven't tried before. And what does that mean for the channel? Well, you know, I won't be able to do sports videos. I could do beer reviews. Shoot, I could do root beer reviews. I could do all kinds of stuff, but it's not gonna be sports related. So I think you all can help in this regard. I think I'm gonna put out a poll that says, like, what would you prefer? Just a hiatus until I'm well? Or put out some different content that's not sports? Or pull a Seth and do RC cars? No, that won't be happening. So be on the lookout for that. Anyway, let's get to the new trails I haven't tried yet. All right, so here is TomTastic, which I think is a multi-directional trail. Ooh. Yeah. All right, here's Rabbit Race. I actually just recorded this, but lost the footage to my GoPro that has been acting up a lot. I might retire it this season too. But this trail is actually awesome. It reminds me a lot of Baked Possum, which is nearby, but I like it better, and I also think it's harder, like this. Even though Baked Possum is a full blue and this is a blue-green. Oh my, this trail rules, dude. And there's even a drop, like if you take it at speed, right here, which definitely was not expecting on a blue-green. So a very fast trail, pretty rowdy, especially for its rating. This is awesome. Like, I really like this trail. Sweet. And then you get shot out onto the Mountain Creek Loop, and you still get to go fast for a while. All right, let's see what Miner's Run has to offer. I actually, change of plans, I'm not gonna be able to do Old Boozy just because I lost that footage. I don't have the time. But this is a green circle trail that's already got some rocks on it, and I heard it was fast, and it is fast. Oh, my kids would dig this. Onward. Cool. Well, on second thought, this is gonna be my last ride for a year. I wanna go out with a bang. So I gotta hit Haymaker. I've already done a video on this, but this one's for me. I just gotta hit something, some airtime. Oh. There we are. Oh God. Didn't have enough speed. There we go. Yes, finally got that jump. That is a good place to end my first step up. Sweet. All right, y'all. Be sure to be on the lookout for that pole. See what we'll do next. For now, I'm out.